How to automate tasks with Zapier, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of automation with Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and simplifies your workflows. If you're tired of repetitive tasks, this guide will show you how to automate them effortlessly. Let's get started. Zapier works by creating zaps, which are automated workflows consisting of a trigger, an event that starts the workflow, and one or more actions, the tasks that follow. Here's how to set it up. 1. Sign up and connect your apps. Head to the Zapier website and sign up for a free account. Once inside, connect the apps you use, such as Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, or Trello. Zapier supports over 5,000 apps, so you're likely to find what you need. 2. Create a new zap. Click Create Zap in your dashboard. Choose a trigger app, like Gmail, and then select the specific event, for example, new email received. 3. Set up the action. Select the action app, like Google Sheets, and choose what should happen, e.g., add row to spreadsheet. Follow the prompts to customize the action and test the connection. 4. Test and activate your zap. Zapier allows you to test the workflow before activating it. Once you're satisfied, turn on the zap and it will run automatically in the background, saving you time and effort. Automation has never been easier with Zapier. Whether it's syncing data between tools or sending reminders, you can streamline your work like a pro. Have you tried automating tasks with Zapier? Share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.